Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's cooking is again one of my daily dish. It's steamed tofu, packed with protein and easy to prepare. Served warm with steamed rice is the best option. What you need are 1 cube tofu. Here I have 2 cubes. 1 cube is 200 grams, so I'll use 1 piece only, and 2 medium eggs, and 1 piece of fermented beancurd. First, let's mash the tofu. Best is to use disposable hand glove. You can use spoon to press it if your tofu is medium firm. Mine is firm tofu. You only need to squeeze it into rough or broken tofu, but not to mash it until too fine. This is the texture. So, halfway through, add in the fermented bean curd. If you don't have the red fermented bean curd, you can always use the white one. I use the red one because I want to have pink color for my steamed tofu. I'll add some of its juice too. Fermented bean curd is actually very good for the health because it improves digestion and it also increases nutrient absorption, provides essential plant protein, and delivers beneficial probiotics to support your gut microbiome. I'll add some salt to taste, but it is totally up to you. If you don't like too salty, it is okay. No need to add salt at all because the bean curd, the fermented bean curd itself is already salty. Or you can just taste it before you steam it so you'll know what is the degree of your saltiness. I use pink salt so that it is not too salty. If you use a normal white salt, maybe you reduce it more, like maybe a pinch of salt is enough. You can add some pepper if you are not cooking for kids. Let's combine them well again. See, the color is pink now. Alright, let's crack the eggs. We are going to beat them in a big bowl. Beat them well so that the egg yolk and the white are well combined. For more fragrant and umami flavor, put in about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And let's pour in the mashed tofu into the bowl with beaten eggs inside. And combine them well with a spoon or fork. And we need some hot water. And I'm going to prepare a pot. We need a pot to steam the tofu. So basically you need a steamer. My water is boiling and I'm going to move the tofu into this steamer, and below I have some water because I'm going to steam it. So mix well again and just pour in the boiling water onto the tofu, the mashed tofu. Stir a little bit to combine them well, and the water not too much. It's about 150 milliliter or half cup. And actually at this time you can taste it because I have poured warm water, hot water, so it is okay to try it. So if it is not salty enough, you can add a little bit salt. Bring it to boil. It usually takes about 5 minutes to boil. After it is boiling, turn down the heat to medium and continue steaming for another 15 minutes. You can see some pores on its surface. After 15 minutes steaming, we can switch off the heat and leave it for another 5 minutes before serve. 5 minutes is over. Let's have a look. Wow! Looks beautiful. Perfectly cooked. And it smells good. For more flavor, I'm going to add some drops of roasted sesame oil, but it is optional. Up to you. If you don't like roasted sesame oil, it is okay. No need to put anything. But usually, if I have chili, I will cut some chili and I steam inside the tofu. I forget to tell you just now. We can cut some red chili and mix well with the mixture and steam it together. Let's scoop it. It looks beautiful, as if there is meat inside. Umami flavor. A little bit salty, and it is very aromatic. Authentic Chinese traditional food, because inside it contained fermented beancurd. Very appetizing. The saltiness is just nice. If you want it more umami, you can add flavor enhancer like mushroom powder. It is a good companion for steamed rice. You can also eat it with plain porridge, rice porridge. Very delicious. So today we have learned how to make steamed tofu with egg. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Don't forget to give me a like and comment. And also, if you are new to my channel, please support this channel by subscribe. Thanks again. Goodbye.